guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Don from the YouTube channel, The Bitter Car Guy. I have a loud truck next to me and we're looking at lifted trucks today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been to the channel before, welcome back. Hopefully you heard me over that noise. Let's jump into the video. Guys, I'm looking at this hella lifted Escalade and this is a sight to see. Look at the size of those wheels. Hey man, I'm checking out your truck.
All right, thanks.
This is impressive.
Thanks.
You need to talk to me about this. What am I looking at here?
This is a 2015 Cadillac Escalade Platinum.
Okay.
It's got a 10-inch FTS lift on it. I'm running 26 by 14 Plan B wheels.
Wow.
With
26-inch wheels.
26
Where do
by
you even
14.
find tires for those things?
These tires are 37-inch.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
So who did the lift?
A shop, a local.
So is it an all custom lift or is this something you
No,
buy
no,
off the
FTS
shelf?
makes this. It fits the Tahoes, the Yukons, and the Escalades.
Okay, cool,
Yeah.
cool. How do you get up into this thing?
If you open the door, the step comes down.
Oh, there's this. Okay, cool, cool. This is awesome.
Thank you.
Now, under the hood, have you done anything performance?
Just a cold air, a K&N
Yes.
intake, and it's got a catback exhaust.
Okay, okay. Now, I see, is that for a trailer hitch back there, that orange?
Yeah, it's just a drop hitch.
Okay,
And it's got a stabilizer bars on it, and so it doesn't move.
okay,
That's something to it.
okay. All right, well, cool. Thank
And
you,
we
man.
powder coated all the suspension to match.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I noticed, the orange
All
and white
up there. Yeah.
theme going.
Yep.
All right, cool. So, all of the suspension bits, you said those were powder coated?
Yeah. The lift and then some of the fabric on all of it.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. All right, well, cool. Thanks.
Thank you.
Take care. All right, so this truck that I'm looking at is owned by a friend of mine, David. He's a photographer here in the Atlanta area. Posts a lot of his photos on Facebook and Instagram. But this is a custom. This looks to be almost 40 inches in height. But you can see all of these amazing suspension bits, powder coated yellow and blue. You got the leaf springs back here. You got the Fox shock reservoirs back here. How do you get up into this thing? You gotta run and jump just to get up onto these. Wow, amazing. Coming around to the front, we got a custom bumper. We got the shackles on it. This is madness. So what I'm on the hunt for are unique builds that are lifted. A lot of noise today. Lifted trucks, loud engines. That's a thing here in the South. But the truck that I'm looking at is Bonkers. Check this thing out. This is awesome. I have no idea what's going on here. But starting off from the back, you can see these little chairs. There's an umbrella up there, roof rack. Hey, what size lift do you have on this?
Jared, what size lift is this? 12 maybe? Yeah, thanks.
Okay, so this is the person responsible for this?
I'm definitely the culpable party, that's for sure.
What size lift do you have on this thing?
It's like 8 inches.
It's an
8-inch
8-inch.
suspension in the front, and then 6 actually in the suspension, and then another 2-inch riser.
Okay, and I noticed you have like Fox.
Yeah, the Fox 2.0s. Yeah, it comes with the U-joint off-road kit.
Okay, all right, cool. Well, let me walk around it and check it out. Thank you, buddy.
Make sure you follow us.
Yeah, I will. Okay. Make sure you follow the dude. His name is Dude Tagonist on Instagram. All right, let me look at this. Goodness gracious. So looking back here, he said it's a 6-inch lift in the back. Got the leaf springs going on. Like his wheels. Might go with a different color than that sand color, but it works. Up front you got the Fox shocks. I don't see any reservoirs. And then
Yes.
Wow. Totally fascinating. All right, Dave, so what am I looking at here?
1972 K5 Blazer.
Okay, cool. Did they come topless from the factory or
No,
not?
they have hard tops.
They had hard tops. So this has been modified. The top's
Oh
been
yeah,
removed.
totally modified.
Tell me about your suspension. What's going on here?
It's a 4-link suspension with King coilover shocks.
Okay.
Rides like a Cadillac.
Okay.
Before it used to ride like a tank. The old leaf springs.
It rode like a truck. Now it drives like a Cadillac.
Yes.
Okay.
Stadium truck.
The color, is this a custom color or
Yeah, it's like a copperhead.
it looks really
Yeah,
nice.
it's,
It looks. I can imagine the sun hitting this and how it really looks.
Yeah, it pops. It's got a little flake
this is
in
great.
it.
And on the interior, could you open the door? Let me
It's
see
bad.
what's going on in there. Because I see you carried the color from the outside to the inside. You don't have door handles outside.
No.
No.
Door poppers.
Okay. This is amazing.
Drives.
Yeah, I know we had some rain come through. Fascinating. Trying to wipe it down so he doesn't get water spots. What size wheels do you have on this?
They're 39.
39.
15-inch wheels with 39 boggers.
Okay, cool.
I had 0 rain on the way over here, but you see what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Get the road grind.
Yeah, and I think at 8 p.m. in a couple hours or so we might get some more rain, so we'll
Yeah.
see. But all right, thank you.
Yeah, man. You're welcome.
Thanks, buddy.
Got it.
Thanks. So I know I saw this. Correct me if I'm wrong. Did I see this at the Hot Wheels up in Beaufort? I know I saw it.
Yeah, I drug it out for that.
Yeah.
Yep.
What have you done to this?
Everything.
Well, first of all, what is this?
This is a 1995 two-door Chevy Blazer.
Chevy Blazer.
This started out life as a four-wheel drive car.
Uh-huh.
It had the swing gate on the back. So anything you see on the outside is factory. Everything from the frame, the interior, the floor, all the suspension's been redone, the motor's been swapped.
Yeah.
Everything's been done.
Okay, cool.
I think the only thing that's really factory, well, we shaved the roof rack. I think there's some factory paint somewhere, but
Yeah,
most of it's been
okay.
all touched. I've had it since new in '95,
Yeah.
and I took my driver's test in this car.
So it is basically sitting on the ground. How did you pull this off?
It's got AccuAir, so it's got air ride control.
Okay.
It's got ride level sensors, so no matter the weight in the car, it's always at the same height.
Yeah.
So I can put all my friends in it and not have to worry about if we're gonna bottom out, pancake.
Okay. Where's your tanks and all that stuff? Is it in the
The
trunk?
tank's inside.
Okay.
Compressors are underneath. It's got a fuel cell that we built. It's got
Okay.
a whole brand new frame that we built.
Okay.
It's about 880 hours as you see at this part.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot of work.
Right. A lot of work.
That is absolutely a lot
Yeah.
of work. Now under the hood, Corvette engine.
Yeah. So that came out of the 2004 Z06. That's a LS6.
Yeah.
It's factory. It's about 405 horsepower. We did a little bit of work to the internals, put a cam in it.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah. You
Thank
did
you.
all the work yourself.
No, Jimmy's Rod and Customs did this rendition of it. So they're out of Edgewater, Florida. I lowered it. It's been bagged before, but when we came to like the bag and body drop, so this has like a 4-inch body drop in it.
Yeah.
A little bit more than my skill set.
Yeah.
So when we blew this apart the last time, I had that oh crap moment where there's pieces of it scattered across 3 buildings.
Yeah.
I got a couple motors, ideas and stuff. And like, I had that little nervous feeling going, man, is this thing ever going to get back together? And it took 5 years. So.
And then you saw the end results.
Yeah.
It's always scary when you start the build.
Yeah.
Because that's when you see the car apart.
100%.
But when it's done, at least you can appreciate the fact that.
But 880 hours, I'm proud of the fact that like we got within $1,000 of our quote, and I only changed one thing.
Okay.
We ended up doing a Watts link and a 4 link in the back. So running some pretty big tires.
So
make
on
sure
budget.
On budget.
Yeah.
Well,
a little longer maybe than expected.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
I was low end of the total bull when it comes to projects down there. They do some pretty big builds. So.
Okay. Well, thanks, man. Thanks for walking me through your project.
Absolutely.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Take care. Alright guys, well that does it for today's video. Thanks for checking out the channel. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Peace.